Hi, myself Sudhakar. I came from People Link Unified Communications, and there I am working as a head for the marketing department. Today we visited this XLR for campus placement drive. So we are happy that we came here to XLR, and whoever we interviewed today, we are very much happy because they have very good knowledge, not only theory, and we can see they have like a good practical knowledge also. They are providing very good strong foundation for the candidates. So we are planning to hire more people from XLR.
Hi, myself Mohammad Khalib, and I'm from People Link. Like I'm a digital marketer of the People Link. We came for the XLR to take an interviews of the SEO and other like digital marketing interviews process. So about the XLR candidates, the profiles, like we got shortlisted. Like if they have a good knowledge on the digital marketing. So apart from digital marketing, they have on marketing other activities like customer support wise or any other like. So here we got a good candidates. So more SEO part or the social media marketing or the PPC. So like the interview process like was good, and we actually got a good candidates here. So we have taken like more and more candidates from the XLR.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm Mohammad Siddiq, and I've done my digital marketing course from XLR Solutions. The best learning platform for digital marketing is XLR Solutions. Specialized solutions what I have studied in XLR is SMM, social media optimization, social media marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, and etc. The service and the learning platform and the tutors was excellent, and they have provided me a best internship platform with People Link. It was very pleased to have that opportunity to me to explore my skills and execute my knowledge on that platform. Thank you so much.
Hello, myself Sucharita. Recently I have done my digital marketing in XLR, and since digital marketing is the most trending and evolving platform in the market, you can often career here in this field. So in XLR they will provide you intense training and in digital marketing, and the trainer are very well trained and they have good hand-on experience in digital marketing. So they will provide you each and every details and train you perfectly in the field of digital marketing, and after the completion of course they will provide you to work in real field in projects, so to elevate your knowledge and skills in digital marketing. After completion of course also XLR has provided placement assistance for me. Today I have come here to attend a placement interview conducted by XLR in People Link company. So my experience in that job interview is very good. The HR are very good and friendly. They have explained you very well like in which field and how the digital marketing works in their company. So till now I have a very good experience in XLR, and I definitely will recommend you to join the course for your future. Thank you.
Hello guys, myself Nikhil Reddy V. I'm currently graduated with Masters in Management with Sales and Marketing. I'm currently done with my interview and I've done my digital marketing course with XLR. I found the course online in Google in top ranking in search, and based on the curriculum and everything and the professors and everyone are quite excellent in the XLR team, faculty team, and my professor was Mr. Uday, and Uday was a Google certified and Google trained professor. He teaches me digital marketing, and during the classes he was an excellent professor. He used to clarify every doubts, and if I had any doubts post the class period, he used to personally take care into this and clarify the doubts. Today I'm here with people, selling people, interviewing for them, and my interview went well good, hoping for the good. Thank you, XLR.
Hi, myself Rohan. I have completed my degree, and after completing my degree I decided to do digital marketing. And through internet I have got this XLR solutions which has number of ratings, so I decided to join. So after completing I even did projects, live projects. They helped me in each and everything. After doing that they even placed me in interviews, and today I attended People Link company. Thank you, XLR.
My name is Almas. So I'm here to do a campus drive. I'm coming from a company called Dotline. I deal with HR and operations, and unexpectedly I got a call from Ashwin sir. So he was saying about XLR solutions and the way he approached us, saying that the candidates will be trained as per our requirements. So digital marketing was the immediate requirement. We have gone through the interview process. It was quite excited to see good number of talent pools in XLR. We could shortlist couple of them, and we have given some placements as well, even both for the full-time as well as internship. So overall our experience with XLR is nice, and we look forward for a long-term relationship with XLR and the excited team. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rupesh, and I work with Dotline as a performance marketeer, and I've got about like 15 plus years of experience. So today I happen to come here for the placement drive. Rightfully matched few profiles based on the requirement that we had. I'm so happy that XLR did a great job in terms of getting the pool of talents out and training them. And lucky that we are here so that we got the right match and we were able to get it. And thank you so much, XLR. Thank you.
So hello guys, myself Mohammad Tarheeb. I am a graduate from aviation background, and then I thought of doing my course in digital marketing. So then XLR was the best opportunity for me. I took out digital marketing from them, and then I enhanced my skills in digital marketing. They offered me a campus drive in a company called Dotline. They gave us 3 days of good session for student development program, wherein they gave us a good opportunity of learning whatever the skills is required for the interview, for us to enhance our skills and then perform well in interview. So yeah, after the interview went well and I have got selected in Dotline Designs right now, and I am excited for the opportunity coming up.
Hi, I am Pinky. I did my MBA in HR. How I got to know about this institute is through Google. And then we got a wonderful trainer whose name is Asar. He used to give theoretical ideas, and for this interview we had a prior 3-day session for just brushing up all the requirements needed to attend the interview, which is again a wonderful thing from XLR team. So I had a good experience in attending the interview session for Dotline company. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Hope all are doing great. So today we have a trainer, Roshan. So Roshan, you can take the class.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Good evening, guys. Very good evening. I hope my voice is loud and clear to all of you. I think some people are still joining. Okay. Good evening, guys. Very good evening. Okay, perfect, guys. So let's start. We already, the time is up, 7 past 4. So let's start here straight away. So today what we are covering, first of all, we are continuing our SEO. So yesterday what we did, we understand about the basic jargon of SEO. We understand about what is search engine. We then move ahead and we talked about what is keyword research, what are the types of keyword, and how we can do the keyword research with the keyword planner, and also what are the steps that we need to take generally. So that we made ahead, we make sure we learn all that and all. Now today what we will be doing will be an on-page SEO part. So what is on-page SEO? On-page SEO is about everything that we talks about website and all that. Keyword planner again, like for those people who is not working, I will show you one more time what you can do. I think you guys need to switch to the expert mode. So I will show you one more time today. So at the end, I will show you. So please first study this and then we will come to that option. Now again here, if I come back, we will be talking about on-page SEO, guys. So what is on-page SEO? It is all about like optimizing our uh, website pages, like our content to the pages and all that. So that is all is a part of on-page SEO. And two things we will do today. On the first half, we will understand about the topic. On the second half, we will go in a WordPress website and we will try to optimize it. We will see how we can go and how we can optimize this based upon what and what we can do, how we can do that in the back end. So again, we will do practical also, theoretical part also. So both the part we will be covering today. So let's start with first theoretical part. First, let's understand all the topic and concept. And in the second half, I will be showcasing you in the WordPress backend part, how we can go and how we can do that. So let's go ahead and let me share my screen. So here, today we will be talking about on-page SEO here. So now, what is on-page SEO? It is all about our website, page optimization and all that. Whatever in our website content and all that. So all that optimizations comes under the on-page part and all that. So today, after today's class, you will be able to optimize the on-page for any website, and we will see at the end like how we can do that for the WordPress website. So keyword we know, yesterday we talked about keyword. So what was keyword? The important word for my business. So whatever word that is relevant to my business, that have higher average monthly searches and less competition, those are the words that we take so that we can go and we can rank them. And also their transaction value should be more, means we have to pick out the keywords that have more intention to do the transaction. Generally, for example, we did yesterday men's perfume. So again, you can say when we talked about blue men's perfume, it is very specific. So people will have more chance they will end up buying that particular product. Similarly, digital marketing course in Bangalore or online digital marketing course. These were the keyword that are long tail at the same time because they have more than 3 words and at the same time very specific, and again has more chances to drive conversion, means drive sales. If we are able to rank, people click on that and they go to our website and all that. Now after choosing out the keyword, suppose I choose the keyword, then afterwards what next we have to make sure of. So next thing that we have to make sure is keyword density. Now what is keyword density? It is, guys, percentage of the keyword that is used in the content. So what is percentage of the keyword that is used in content? We call that keyword density generally. So how we check that now? Here I have given all the steps. So again, you will find that in your LMS. So tools to find that. What are the tools? How we find that keyword density of our any web page and all that. So first though, we have to copy the content. Right. Now suppose if I have to go and if I have to find first, like suppose if I go here, digital marketing course in Bangalore. So suppose this is my keyword and suppose I want to check for XLR. So first I will go here and I will open this XLR page that is ranking for digital marketing course in Bangalore. So first what I will do, I will go and I will copy this content. So how we will copy? Control A, it will copy it, and Control A will select it, Control C will copy. And then afterwards, you have to go to this, after doing this, you have to use this tool, wordcounter.net. So again, if you click on this tool, now, if you will click, it will open here, wordcounter.net. So what it does generally, if I go and I delete this, now I will just post it. Now, if I post it here, so how many words content they are having? they are having like 1443 words is there in their this content page and all that, which is ranking for digital marketing course in Bangalore. Now, what is the keyword that they are ranking? Digital marketing course in Bangalore. And what is the keyword density? It is percentage of keyword being used. So how we calculate the percentage? The very simple mathematical formula. For example, guys, if we have content, like you can say 100 words. So suppose 100 word content is there. So in 100 word, how many, if in 100 word content, 2 times keyword is used. So if 2 times keyword is used, so the density will be 2%. So again, you can say here the percentage of keyword that is being used in the content will be 2%. So just like that, in 1,000 word content, if the content like 10 times keyword is used, 10 times keyword is used. So again, how much density it will be? Guys, how much density it will be? It is times, 10 times. In 1,000 word, if 10 times we are using the keyword, no, how much percentage? In percentage, how much it will be? 1%. Yes, correct. It will be 1%. Not 10%, guys. 10% will be when in 100 words I will use 10 times. In 100 words, if I am using 2 times, it is 2%. Now in 1,000 words, similarly, if I am using 10 times, so it will be 1% because in 100 word, it is like approximately what is average. In every 100 word, 1 times it is being used. So that's why it will be 1%. If it will be now like 100 times if it is used in 1,000 word content, na guys, if 100 times it is used in 1,000 word content, if 100 times it is used, then it will be 10% time. Then it will be 10% time. Generally, the keyword density. So how we calculate that? It is percentage of the keyword that is being used in our content. How we do that? Now again, first we have to know how much words are there in our content. So again, we can go to the content and we can copy that. So we can go and we can copy the content. So once we copy, there is a tool called wordcounter.net. So again, when we go ahead, wordcounter.net here and all that. So again, you will find once you paste that, the number of words and all that. So when we go to the number of words, so again, you can see here, 1,443 words are there. Now what I will do here, I have written, we will do the control F. So control F we do to search. So I will go here and I will do the control F in this too. So we will do control F. And what is the keyword? Digital marketing course in Bangalore. So once I go here, in 1,443 words, let's see how many times. If I go here, just a second, digital marketing course, wait, digital, okay, I think might be some mistake here. It is not taking. If I go here, digital marketing course. If I go and if I say course in, so why it is not taking? Because if you see here, they are taking here, see, training is also written. But again, it will count it as the keyword only. So if I type here, na, digital marketing course, so again, you can see here on the first, it is being used. On the second, it is being used. Then in the content, they are not using. They might be using here, you can say, like if I scroll down here, digital marketing, let's see, digital marketing, what they are using. But digital marketing training, if I go here, so what is digital marketing certifications they are using, but they are not using the digital marketing training. Let's go here and let's check here digital marketing course. If I talked about, see, they are using on the top, then they are using here. And if I go ahead, they are using also here in that. So 3 to 4 times they are using generally. So in 1,400 words, if they are using 3 to 4 times, what will be the keyword density then, guys? Digital marketing course you can search, not digital marketing. It will be like approximately that. So what we have to make sure whenever we are doing on-page optimization means we are optimizing any web page after choosing out the keyword, we have to make sure our keyword density does not go more than 2%. If it is more than 2%, it will be problem. So how much keyword will be more than 2%? If I go ahead here, like if 14 multiply by 2, if like you can say 1400 words means 14 multiply by 2, so 28. So if 28 times, if the keyword is present or more than 28 times, then we do have a problem. But if it is present less time, we don't have the problem. But at least 1 or 2 times your keyword should be present. It is not like our keyword is at all not present in our content, and still we can expect like our keyword will be ranking. So very simple, how you will like check the keyword density. You will go and you will make sure you copy the content, or once you copy that, go to wordcounter.net. Why we use this website? Because it tells us number of words that the content has. Then afterwards you can do control F and you can see the keywords, number of time it is used. So it is 1400 word. So at least if the keyword is used more than 28 times, then we do have a problem. If it will be having less than like 2%, that is less than 28 times, we do not have the issue. So any idea what will happen if the keyword will be used more than 28 times here, guys? What will be the scenario? If a keyword will be used more than 28 times, so what will happen? Okay, somebody has given the formula. Thank you for that. Now, again, if I go ahead here, if I will say, but the real question is, this is not mathematics class, guys. It is very simple. See the number of words that is used, multiply that by 2. If like, suppose if it is a 3 digit, just take the first digit and multiply by 2. If it is a 4 digit number and all, take the first 2 digit and all that. So again, 28. If it is a 5 digit number, then you will just go and you will take the 3 digit and multiply by 2. That is a short trick if you say in your SSC exam and all that, whatever you use and all that. So let's not get there in the mathematics. Let's concentrate here. So what again will happen if we use more than 28 times, guys? Any idea what will happen? Will be ranking or not? If I will use the keyword in XLR, suppose which has the content of 1,400 approximately, and if we use the content, ranking will go down. Exactly, yes, we will not be ranked. And this is also called as, the term for this will called as keyword stuffing, guys. Keyword stuffing, we call that. And it is a black hat technique, keyword stuffing. So this is like you will not be ranking. Why? Because Google will think you just want to rank, you have put the keywords so that Google, you grab the Google attention and all that. So that's where we have to make sure our keyword density in any scenario should not be more than 2%. But always remember here, like generally, if I go ahead, you should always remember for the second criteria. See, first criteria is very simple. In case we have only one keyword. So again, I will go and I will make sure it is not more than 2%. But what if I have multiple keywords? Because if I'm working for client, basically, so client can tell me like, okay, Roshan, I want you to work on this project and I want my 3 4 keywords to be ranked. So at that scenario, what I will say, I will say to client, no, I will rank for only one keyword. No, we obviously we will try hard and we will try to work for all those 4 keyword, and always we can go generally, we can see that, and that will always we try to rank for all those 4 keywords. So in that scenario, please listen to me very carefully. In case of multiple keyword targeting, what is multiple keyword targeting? Targeting more than one keyword. So if you are targeting one keyword, so that is okay, you can keep it 2%. But if you are targeting more than 2 keywords, please make sure to categorize that keyword in 2 categories. Now, what will be that 2 categories? One will be the primary keyword, that will be your first choice keyword, and second could be the secondary keywords and all that. Now, let's understand what could be, how we will categorize that first. Now, suppose this is here, like you can say the main, like a word for this page is digital marketing course. So again, if I go ahead here, so my main keyword obviously will be digital marketing course. And suppose if I go ahead, digital course in Bangalore, or suppose digital marketing online course and digital marketing course with certification. Now, in this all, which will be my primary and which will be my secondary, guys? Just first, second, third, which one will be primary? Out of these all 3 keywords, if we are targeting, 3 will be primary. Last one was primary. Okay, digital marketing course with certifications. Okay, last one, second one. Okay, first one. Okay, DM course, last one. See, guys, 3 keywords are there here. Course with certification, digital marketing course, or let me type full. I think I have write half. You guys are confused. I am pretty sure. So suppose now, please wait. Please wait. I think due to my half written, you guys have got confused. Digital marketing course in Bangalore is the first, and then afterwards, one is digital marketing online course, and one is digital marketing course with certification. Now tell me which one will be one, like you can say primary, and which one will be secondary. Like primary first, which one will be primary? The first number, the second number, or the third number? Okay, second, first. What about other people? I'm just making this in the middle so that you guys can see that. First one is digital marketing course in Bangalore. Second one is digital marketing online course. Third one is digital marketing course with certifications. So second, first, third, first. So all people who are saying first are correct. Why? Because see, their headquarters, if you see in India, if I talked about, they have the multiple headquarters. But if I talked about India, their headquarters are in Bangalore, and they are going this for Bangalore location. This page is dedicated. Just see that. Can we see the heading, guys? Digital marketing course in Bangalore. So heading, if it says Bangalore, so obviously which one will be more relevant? The Bangalore one. Automatically it will be. And then these all words also we can target. Why? Because they do provide the online course also. See, live virtual online course. So they do provide classroom. They do provide the virtual online course also. And then the third one, course with certification. So this second and third will be secondary. So whatever my main keyword is there now, my main keyword that define my business will be always my primary keyword. Rest other like similar meaning words that have almost similar meaning and all that, that will be again in the secondary category. I hope we are clear on this now. No, forget about relevancy here. That is the how we pick the keyword. After that, Harsh, suppose I pick 4 keywords. So how you will distinguish that into primary and secondary, that we are talking. So I hope it is clear, guys, how we can pick the primary and secondary if we are targeting multiple keywords. Yes or no? Okay, I got one yes. What about other people? Okay, perfect. Soumya, it's very easy. You have to see your main keywords. As for digital marketing page here, you will see the title is only Bangalore. So most relevant automatically will be digital marketing course in Bangalore generally. And then afterwards, the online and the certification will be my secondary. So why we do the classification first of all? So first of all, generally we do the classification so that we will make sure like our secondary keywords should not be more than 1% in any case. So for example, if I'm targeting for digital marketing course in Bangalore or digital marketing online course or digital marketing course with certification. So for this second and third keyword, no, I will make sure generally I will not do more than 1% of keyword density. Means it has not used more than 14 times. Why? Because 1400 words are there. So again, the secondary keyword should not be used more than 14 times. But if it is less, it is okay. Always remember less is okay, but more is not okay. If you are doing more, that is called as keyword stuffing. So in case of multi-keyword targeting, when you are targeting more than one keyword for the same page, please make sure to categorize that. And primary keyword up to 2% you can keep, that is okay. But it has not, it should not be more than 2%. And secondary keyword should not be more than 1% and all. If it is less, it is fine. At least 1 to 2 times in the content, if your keyword is used, it is okay. And if you use more than 2%, so that is unethical practice that we call again black hat SEO and all that. And it is called as keyword stuffing. So I have mentioned all that and all that here. So to make it clear, so I hope now we are clear why we categorize that, so that we are giving Google what is my important word and what are my secondary choices word and all that. Because see, for all the keywords, I cannot rank one. Yes, I can rank one for one keyword, second for second keyword, third for third keyword, or in top 10, I can rank for all the 3 keywords. So we just have to make sure to give signal to Google, like this is my main keyword and the other are my secondary choice keywords and all that. So that's where we have to be like very, very cautious at the time of using multiple keywords. So suppose if I will use, suppose if I keep the same density, then what will happen? Any idea anyone has? Like suppose we will use any same density, like for primary and secondary, suppose in my content, suppose for primary and secondary, if same density is there. So what will happen, guys? If it will happen then? No, error will not happen. But what will happen? If primary and secondary keywords, no, like suppose both are 1% only. Like suppose both is 1.5%. No difference? Not understand? Yes, exactly, Soumya. You got it right this time. The Google will not understand which is my main keyword. Like what is my main topic I am talking about and all that. So again, generally Google will be confused, and after doing all the effort now, we will be wondering why we are not ranking. We are doing everything right. We have a good website, good looking website, speed is also good, but why we are not ranking and all that. So that's where we have to make sure our generally keyword should be, secondary keyword should be used less than the primary keywords, guys. Now, if I talked about, next topic is keyword placement. Now, what is keyword placement? Where our keyword should be present in the content. So let's see this slide, where it should be present. Now, if you see, for digital marketing course in Bangalore, again, XLR is ranking. So they are ranking in top 3. So obviously they have done a very good SEO of their website. So first thing that I can see here, if I go and all that. So again, if you go and if you check here, if I see the content, I will come back to that here. First, the content part, let's go. So this is the main title. This is the main heading on the main title of the page. So again, you can see in the main title of the page, you can see this digital marketing course training in Bangalore is being used. So this is first scenario like that I have written, the main heading of the page. So where the keyword should be present, our main keyword I am talking in the keyword placement. So our main keyword should be present in the main heading and all that. And then afterwards, if you see here, see again, digital marketing course here. So again, if you go and if you check here, like generally course completion, digital marketing certification and all that, images are there and all that. Then again, if you scroll down here, you will find all the skills and all that. So again, apart from this main title, in the first 100 word, if possible, it should be present. Then in some subheading. So if I go and if I check here, like suppose if I go and if I check, let's scroll down slowly so that you guys can also see that. Google certifications, executive experience. Just a minute. Introduction to digital marketing. So digital marketing is there, but let's see for a digital marketing course. Who can learn this course? If I go here, see here. Digital marketing course. So again, this digital marketing course is there. Then again, if I go ahead and I scroll down and all that, so there is other location, other courses and all that. So again, let's take one more. Let's not only take the one example. Let's see, this one is ranking on the first, this one is ranking on the second. And again, you can see this one is ranking on the third, and then we have the fourth, fifth, and a lot of others website that are ranking and all that. So for example, if you see this that is ranking on the first place, see where they are using the keywords, their main keywords. So again, you can find it here, digital marketing course in Bangalore, the main heading. Then see here also digital marketing course in Bangalore. In top 100 words means the first 100 words they are using it. And then see they have the images also, digital marketing course in Bangalore. So this is the image and all that. And then afterwards in the content also they are using course in Bangalore, then digital marketing in Bangalore, digital marketing courses and all. See here digital marketing courses in Bangalore. So again, this is like subheadings and all that. And then if you see, I have noted down here one image related to the keywords in subheading and in first 100 words and main heading. Now, what is main heading and the subheading? Main heading is the first heading that you see. So whatever the first heading that you see is the main heading. And apart from the main heading, whatever, like you can say other heading in the page that you see, we call that subheadings because that comes under the main heading part and all that. So again, if I show you one more example, like suppose why I have written those 4 places. So again, let's go to this website. This is also ranking. So see here again, the main page, main heading means they are there. And then again, see digital marketing course in Bangalore. So again, in first 100 words, then again, if I scroll down, here, see here, digital marketing course in Bangalore, again in subheadings, See here, they are using and all that. And then if I scroll down here, so again, a digital marketing course in Bangalore fee. See. So they are again using it in the subheadings and all that. And then afterwards, if possible, images. So they don't have the images, but they have the timing and all that, reviews, rating and all, whatever other people says and all that. So again, that's why you have to make sure whenever you optimize the content. See, this image part is optional. This image part is optional, but if you have, Google gets very happy with that generally. And I will tell you, there is a alt text also that we give it to the images in the backend. So you have to describe and you have to name that image and also the alternative text. So please make sure whenever next time you finalize your keyword, these are the places that your keyword should be present. So again, the first is main heading, second is in the first 100 word, the third is in the subheadings, and the fourth, if possible, one image related to your keyword should be there. So this is clear, guys, this keyword placement option. Okay, perfect. Yes, you can use it. Don't worry. You can always have the LMS and you can take that from LMS. What about other people? I hope this is clear where the keyword should be used. Because first thing though, we finalize the keyword. Second, we learn like how much percentage should be used. And the third is how much, like where exactly keyword should be there. That is what we call keyword placement. Okay, excellent, guys. Now let's go ahead here. Now again, next thing is meta title, meta description, and page URL. So please look into this. Please wait and let's see here. So what is this meta title, meta description, and page URL? Let's understand that. Now let's go back where we search here, where we search for digital marketing course in Bangalore. So again, if you see, if I search this digital marketing course in Bangalore, and then afterwards, if I scroll down here, you will be able to find here like this, whatever is written, whatever I am highlighting. This is called as meta title. What is this? Meta title. The topic of the page, the main topic of our page is called as this here meta title. And this is meta description. This is like summary of the page in short form, like what the page is all about and all that. And this is called as URL, like HTTPS and all that. And again, if I go to XLR, so here this is like meta title. This is like main topic of the page. And then here, this is like meta description, like summary of the page. And this is like, suppose here, this is called as URL. Now, the question arises, what we have to make sure of that. So first thing, first thing that you have to notice, guys, is see this note part. In this, all three things we need to have is our main keyword. Now, again, let me show you what I am trying to say. So whatever is our main keyword, now, it should be present in meta title also, meta description also, and page URL also. Now, if you see that, like just see here, digital marketing course in Bangalore, just see here. Does it present in the meta title? Does it present in the meta description? And see here, digital marketing courses. Like if I open this, like just see here. Can you guys see the URL? Is it present in the URL also, guys? And again, meta is a term. Harshal, meta is a term. Now again, see this. Meta title again present means our main keyword present. Again, it is present in the description also. And again, let me open the URL. Now, if I open the URL, see, digital marketing course Bangalore. See again the, like in the URL also it is present. So again, if I go, if I show you XLR also, see, digital marketing course in Bangalore, it is present. Digital marketing course in Bangalore again present. And if I open the URL, see in the URL also it is present. Now the question arises, we as a marketer, if we have to make it, how we can do that? How we can go and we can make sure the title and description is there. So for that, please listen to me for 5 minutes very carefully, I will tell you two tools that I generally use to brainstorm. Now, why brainstorm? Because how to write in general, if you talked about now, there are two ways to write meta title description. One way is study the page and understand the content and understand the content and then come up with ideas. Then come up with ideas. So how much time it can take on an average if I am studying any page content of 1,000 or 1,500 words. So obviously minimum it will take 30 minutes to 1 hour. Depending upon we all have different grasping capacity and all that. Some of us may need to read it twice and all that and all. So it may take 30 minutes to 1 hour time to know. And then afterwards, what I can do, I can decide what are the main topic that I have. So I will make the meta title and what I will include the main topic of the page. Main topic with main keyword, with primary keyword rather, I will say. Primary keyword. So I will make sure this is there. And then meta description, I will go. Meta description. So description. So again, I will write the summary of the page in small. Now, how much small? So again, please understand here, primary, like you can say meta title length can be 60 to 70 character. Now, what is character? Now, if I talk about character, now it is with space. Now, for example, if I copy this, suppose here, this is the meta title. Now I copy this here. And if I go here and I go to word counter and I suppose I paste there. I paste there. See, I can see the character by selecting it. So how many character it is? 46 character. Now, similarly, if I go here, guys, I can copy this description and I can paste to this word counter .net. So this is very useful tool for a digital marketer. I use it a lot because again, sometimes we have to see the character limit and all that. So again, I don't have to count it manually. I can go paste and I can select and it will tell me. So again, here you have to understand meta title 60 to 70 character it should be, and meta description, the summary of page can be up to 160 to 170 character. Now, what will happen if I will write more? Like suppose some of you will saying why only this, why not more? So if I will write more, na, you can see it will be coming like dot dot dot. If you can see here, this URL is coming like dot dot dot. Why? Because it has exceeded the limit. So if it exceed the limit, na, it will be coming like this dot 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 dot. So obviously I don't want my meta title and meta description to be coming like dot dot dot. I want to come as a whole, whatever I have given and all that. Now, how to make it first of all? Now that we know what is meta title and what is meta description, what is the traditional way of making. But we are very clever people. We are living in generation of AI. So again, what we can do that. Now, again, smartly, suppose I do not have any idea about XLR digital marketing course. Suppose I have no idea. So what I can do, there are two like things that you can use. One I already have told you, that is Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI. Now, what does this does? I love this tool, and the best part is the free version does the work for me. So I don't need to buy the paid version. So I will go to this Perplexity AI. I will give the URL and I will say, after giving the URL, shift plus enter you have to place. Once you place shift plus enter, then after that you will write, tell me all important point of this page in bullet points. So what I am doing like a summary, but I am saying all important point in of the page of this page in bullet points, and don't miss any point. Don't miss any point. So I'm taking it in bullet points so that I can use AI to generate the title and descriptions, and then I can mix match also. So how? Just stay with me for 5 minutes. I am telling you. Now again, if I go here, now suppose I do not have any idea about XLR, a digital marketing training, what is their USP, a unique selling point and all, what is the benefits and all. Suppose I don't have any idea. I will go and I will click on here. Once I go ahead here, now again see. Now again, here are the key points for XLR digital marketing. Now what I will do here is, I will go and I will just copy this. Now I will go either to Gemini AI or ChatGPT or any AI tool that you know you can go. Now use this, whatever summary that you have got, now, use this, just copy this, go to Gemini AI. Gemini is a Google product just like ChatGPT. Now again, I will go here guys and I will give the whatever I have copied and just remove this citation. What is citation? Citation is from where they have got the information. Now I will go and I will write the prompt. I want you to write 5 variation of meta title and meta description for meta description by using the above content. Now, why I'm telling 5 variation? Because it's not required like in one variation, I will love it or I will like it. It might be required multiple variations, I may love it. So that's where what I written, very small prompt. Again, if you want, you can take the screenshot, you can keep in mind and all. So it is just very simple. I want you to have write 5 variation of meta title and meta description by using the above content. And one more thing I will write here. My main keyword is digital marketing course in Bangalore. So I just told it what is my main keyword. Now again, I will just go and I will put that in double inverted comma. So when we put things on double inverted comma, when we want to tell the AI, this is very, very important thing. So what I did, I used Perplexity AI to get all the important points of the page in bullet point and all. I copied that point. I went to Gemini AI. That is the free only. You can see I'm using free version only. And then I written the prompt. I want you to write 5 variation of meta title and meta description by using the above content. My main keyword is digital marketing course in Bangalore and just enter. Now just see the magic. And this whole process will take just 1 to 2 minutes. Now just see here. Launch your digital career, top rated digital marketing course Bangalore. Master in demand skill like SEO, SEM, and all that. Enroll in Bangalore Best Digital Marketing course. And see here, earn 8 plus certification in digital marketing course, Bangalore XLR. Become a digital marketing expert with Google Ads and all that. Bangalore most a comprehensive course. Learns by doing hands-on digital marketing course Bangalore, get ready and all that. Practical digital marketing course. So see, will it work now? We'll be able to do that by not like knowing all the things about the website. Like especially if you get the assignment, supposed to write 30, 40 meta title and meta description. Can we do that in the 1 hour now, guys, with the help of AI? Keyword is the main word of your business. Keyword is very easy. Okay, fantastic, guys. So keyword, you are asking, Akhil, keyword is the main word of your business. So whatever word that you want, suppose my product is ghee. So organic ghee, I am selling and all that. So again, organic ghee with low cholesterol or organic ghee, whatever my USP is there, whatever people are searching and all that. Organic ghee online and all that could be my keywords and all that. Now URL character you can see, or you can tell AI also. Like here now in prompt also you can do. You can tell it 5 variation. Please keep title of under 70 character, under 70 characters, and description under 170 characters, and do use keyword in. See, what I am doing now, I am just reducing my work to remove and add and all that. I am telling it to use keyword in both title and description, and then just update. Now your problem will be solved, Maheshwar. Now again, you can see here, it will mostly give you the title and description under that limit and all that. And it will make sure the keywords also are used. For example, if I just check that for you, like suppose if I go here, see, mostly it will do, but still check that for your like convenience, see 54. Now again, if I go ahead to this description, if I copy and I just go, now suppose if I paste it, so again see here 144 character. I hope it helps. I hope it will helps you in again reducing the time further, because you don't need to recheck that and don't need to do that. Yes, URL also need. I will show you how to do. But first, we are understanding about the conceptual part, and then we will see the practical again. So please stay. I will show you the practical also. Now again, next thing, if I go and if I do that, apart from this title URL, page URL, again, I will be showing you how in the backend for a e-commerce website, we can give that. I will show you how what we use generally for a WordPress website, rather, I will say how we can go and we can give that title, description, and URL we can set for any page of our website. Now again, if I go ahead here, now again, like content part. Now most important is the content part and all that. And then I have more content for you. Now again, content part. So the grammar, spelling mistake and clarity. And I hope everyone do uses that plugin. What is the plugin or what is the app name that can solve my this all issue? Like to check grammar, spelling mistake and clarity, guys? Grammarly. Yes, Grammarly, we all use that. Even in my college, I used to do that for checking the grammar and spelling mistake. So Grammarly is also one, and Quillbot is also one. So any of the plugin you can use, both are equally good, guys. You can use whatever you like, but Grammarly and Quillbot, both I have used and both are equally good. Grammarly is much better because we have been using it for a longer time. So it is like interface. We are well versed of and all that. So again, how to check that? Very simple. Like suppose I have written the content, ask for the like soft copy, means Google Docs and all that. And suppose I want to check, suppose for this content, I want to check the with Grammarly. Copy this and then just go to grammarly.com, and the free version only. You don't need to buy that. You just go to the free version here and just sign up using your email ID. Once you go and once you sign up using your email ID, like I am sign up, see, I do not have premium. So it is they are saying me, I can go ahead with premium, but I don't need premium. I will just go to new document after opening this Grammarly, and then afterwards here, I will go and I will paste. Now, once I paste that, see, first of all, now I will get the overall score. See, if your overall score is above 80, you are doing a very good job. Still, there may be like scope where you guys can improve. But if your score is more than 80, close to 90 is very good. 100 is the excellent. But anywhere above 80, if you are having, so Google does not have any issue. But suppose if my score is 40, 30, 20, So then again, I need to understand lot of things I need to improve in my content. Now, what all? So again, you can see here the suggestion correctness. So again, article uses spelling, clarity, engagement, delivery, it will talk about all. But again, if the score is 90, I don't need to worry, guys. I don't need to worry. Again, I am repeating, any score above than 80 is okay. Yes, the more it is, the better it is. But least if it is 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, it is very good. You don't need to worry about that. Now, again, if I go ahead here to the next part, like after Grammarly, it's very easy. Just you see, you rectify, and then again you send the soft copy to your a web developer, like whoever the person, whoever is handling the website and all that. So he or she will rectify those mistakes. Then afterwards, second part. Now the second part is plagiarism. Like whatever content that I have written generally, is the content fresh, or have I copied from someone else, or like I have written by myself? For example, suppose I hired any content writer, XYZ. She said, okay, Kautilya, I will write for you. So she said, okay, I will write for you, I will work for you. So suppose for my client need, I hire her. So now what happened? Suppose she is telling, is like, okay, I will charge 2 paisa per word. I said, okay, it's fine. I will give you that 2 paisa per word. But when she will give me the content, I have to check if the content is original or she has copy pasted and given to me. So that we does through the plagiarism checker and all. So how we check that? There are many plagiarism checker. So if you go in the Google and if you type plagiarism, so plagiarism is the duplicacy basically. So if I go here, plagiarism checker. Now again, Grammarly don't use it. Premium is good. A free version Algorithm Checker is not good. Again, I repeat, please don't check Grammarly free version Algorithm Checker. If you have the premium version, it is good. Free version is not good. Now you can either use this Algorithm Checker free, or you can use the small SEO tool. You can use it Doubly Checker tool and all that. And then afterwards, you can use this Q text and all that. Bot and all, anything you can use. So I'm using Doubly Checker and all. And now whatever content that I will have. So suppose I have this content. For example, suppose I stolen the content from XLR and I thought now I will be ranking. So what I did, I just went and I copied the content and I pasted in my website. So again, Google will know. How Google will know? Google have all the AI tools. Google have all the algorithm to check and verify. But how I can check that? I can copy here and then I can go and I can click on I am not a robot and check plagiarism. So once I go, at least I will suggest you to check around 4 to 500 words. That is okay. But just as a sample, I am showing you by copying a very, very less. And Grammarly solve is very easy. You just go accept that, you will be able to solve. See, the if you solve all the issues, automatically you accept, you just accept. That is how you solve. So it is very simple to solve. You don't have to like learn grammar, or you have to take the grammar book to rectify all this error, guys. It's just very simple. Click accept, click accept, click accept. And but if it is 90, don't worry about that. It is okay. Now again, it is just checking that. Let's wait. It does take 1 to 2 minutes. Doublychecker.com. So let's just wait for a minute, guys. Yeah. Now again, you see, it is saying it is plagiarized. 50% plagiarized and all that. And it is showing from where. So again, if I click here, generally, though I have taken from XLR, that's why I always say check like at least 500 words. So when you check the 500 words, see, again, it is taking this, it is not taking XLR. So again, that's why I was showing you when you check with so many little words now, it's again create the problem. Now again, if I show you, like suppose, let's go to the blog. Let's see the blog part because digital marketing. Now again, if I go, suppose what I did, I just went there and I thought like, okay, let's copy. I will be also ranking enough. So again, if I go here, if I copy this, suppose if I will just copy till here, that will be 500 words. I will just go to doubly checker. Same way, we will just publish the content. And please remember 1,000 word at a time you guys can check. So maximum 1,000 word we can check at a one time. So if I have a content that is more than 1,000, so again, I need to check that part by part. Means I do need to go and I do need to check part by part. So let me give a little bit of more content because there is, you know, I will go here. Let me copy. Okay, let me delete this. Now again, if I go here, doubly checker, sorry. Let me go and let me start with doubly checker. Now again, I will paste the content. Now again, total word. Okay, total word. Just a second. I still need to take the first one. So suppose I copied here and I go and I check. So when you check at least 500 words, it will catch very easily. If you check 100 words, 50 words, it again will have problem and all that. So if you will check, like you can say 100 words and all that, it may have a problem and all that. Now again, what you will do here is like after pasting the content, just scroll down and click on I am not a robot and then check plagiarism. And you can use any Palgrim checker, they all work well. Just the thing is that for free, they only give 1,000 word at a time. So if I have a 2,000 word, suppose I tell my intern to write or tell my like any freelancer to write, then I will check with this tool to make sure if the content is unique or the content is plagiarized and all that. Means if it is already present, what does it mean by plagiarized? Or duplicate means the content is already present on the web. So if the content is already present on the web, so again it will have issues and all that. So that's where we again make sure to check that. So just wait for a minute here. Yeah. So again, if you see here, see again, we can see since I did for 500 word, see it is taking almost 66% similar. So again, I can know whatever whoever has written this content has copied the content from generally copied the content from this Sprout social website and all that. So that is where the second thing is very, very important to check. And again, I repeat, whenever you guys will check, please make sure to check at least 400 to 500. Please do not check 100 words or 50 words. It will never tell you plagiarism. So at least 400 to 500 word as a sample, you can do that. If it is showing 10%, it is okay, but still see you are not using other brand name and all. So for example, 10% why it is okay. So suppose if I'm writing on places to visit near Bangalore. So obviously I will be using that word. I will be also making sure I will be using the common words like you can say Mysore, Munnar or Kurg, or I will be using like Bandipur forest and all, whatever nearby places is there. So whoever will be writing, they also will be using that. So 10%, 5%, Google understand, but Google, if they find out you are totally copying the content and all, you are not adding your own flavor, your own tone, then again you won't be ranking. No matter whatever you are doing, good keyword research, good placement, good grammar and all. So you have to still make sure your like content is fresh and all that. Yes, you can use brand name. It's fine. You can use that. But again, make sure your content is not vulgarized, means similar more than 10%. If it is 100% unique, it is fantastic. But in some cases, as I given you example, suppose we both are writing on places to visit near Bangalore. So obviously we will be using Bangalore a lot times and places to visit also a lot of time. So we may have 10% similarity that Google will understand. But again, each and every paragraph it is same, then again Google will not rank us and all that. So we have to make sure always to make the content always fresh and unique. Now the third part is also important. And always remember in SEO, again I repeat, in SEO, human written content rank. Don't think you can write with ChatGPT and the content will rank. So you always, you have to make sure your content is humanly written if you want to rank that. If you don't want to rank just for showcase purpose, if you want to keep blog, you can go ahead and you can make ChatGPT right. You can go ahead, you can make any AI tools right. Whatever tools they promote, lot of I have seen a lot of YouTubers, a lot of like you can say content creator nowadays I am seeing they are promoting even a lot of institute website. I don't want to name them, but I have seen them. But that is wrong. In no way Google promote AI written content for SEO. For landing pages, you may write that, it's okay. For social media, you can use that, it's okay. For email marketing, you can use it, it's okay. But for SEO, if you want to rank, it's completely not okay. Why? Let me show you why I'm telling you that. First of all, how to check that? So there is a website called CopyLeak, guys. So that is a very best website that I have found, copy leak. So what it does, it just it's just detect the AI content, no matter whatever level of AI content you have written, how many types you have humanized it by using other tools. You have again changed the you have used the synonyms. You try to like some of you I think might have heard like okay, we will go and we will use like some you can say algorithm like checker or a spinner, content spinner, and all that. How many of you use content spinner for your college project? Give me a yes. I used to do that in my college. I'm being honest with you guys. I used to do that in my college because in college there were a lot of assignments and I used to go content spinner and we used to do that. But that thing will not work in Google. Please remember that. Google is much more smarter than us. It's like they have lot of resources. Today, tomorrow, or a day after tomorrow, they will catch you. Like you have spent the word just, you have not written by yourself, and Google will not rank your content generally. So you have to write it humanly. So how you check if the content is AI written or not? It's very simple. We go to the copyleak.com and we go to the AI detector. Just we have to go to the AI detector. And here, check the sample. Please don't check whole content because it is a premium tool. It does give you free users for a certain period of time. So always check the sample. When I say the sample, for example, now let's go for all of the people. I still remember when I was teaching you content marketing, a lot of you had the question, sir, why can't we write with ChatGPT and we can still rank and all that? So again, if we can write ChatGPT, we can't rank. Why? The reason is Google always prefer human content. Now let me show you top 3 websites like sample content. So suppose this one, this page content, suppose I go. Just I will take a sample. I will not take full content and I will just click on check. Not enough text to scan. Just a minute. Okay, let me give little bit more. It is asking not enough text to scan. So let gives this much here. Yeah, now I think it will take it. Now just click on check. Once you click on check, it will tell you if the content is human. See, this is human text. Now I'm showing you second website also that is ranking. Let me go to the second website that is ranking. So this is a ranking and I'm showing you the content. Now if I go, let me just a second, let me take the content. Let's suppose let me take this content, for example. I will go and I will paste it. Now check. Now this is human content. See, again, just like this, if you check and you think like, okay, no, you will write with chat GPT, you will like spin the content and you will do that. Trust me, this website checks it all. And if you have the premium, when you go to the job, na, company have the premium version, so you will not be spared. So they will check and they will find that. So just see with the basic model, I will be able to find that ChatGPT 4 or which model this is and all. Whatever model that you go and that you write, it will catch that out and all that. So this is very, very good tool to check if your content is AI and all. And I showed you first two websites that are ranking. Both the website have the very good content, means human written content generally. So in the content part, you have to always make sure your content is good. Your content is grammar, like grammar is good, spelling is good, clarity is there. It is fresh content, unique content. It is not copied from anyone, and it is also written by human. If you have these all things, then you can expect your content to rank and all that. So I hope till now we are clear on this. I can assure you I have done more than 100. I do that on daily basis. So please rest assured, you can check. But I am again telling you, please don't overdo it. It will like done for the day, you will be done. If you will check lot of content. So if you do for AI content, like suppose if I go to Germany, see, like suppose here, for example, like if I go here, like suppose if I go ahead, suppose I try this, for example. I just copied it. Suppose, just since you are telling, though I have tested more than 100 times, but if I just go and copy this and I go here to AI content detector, I clear this. But please check the samples. Please do not check full blog. And again, if you go and if you check, see that. I hope now you are clear. And trust me, I have checked more than 100 times. But just to showcase you, I have just done this now. Even you use ChatGPT, anything and all that, it will show you and all that. But please check sample. Please make a note. Please do not check the full blog. Again, I repeat, please do not check the full blog. Check the sample. You will be able to know if the content is AI and all that generally. Yes, it can find that. It can find that. See, human is the best one. Harsh, if you ask me, then human plus AI is the second priority, and then the AI one. So Google always give priority to the human, then human plus AI, and then the AI. So always try to have a humanized content, means write by yourself. Take the idea from AI, but do write it yourself and all that. No, PPC is completely different thing. It has nothing to do with like SEO. SEO is different, PPC is different. PPC is for paid, and Google has nothing to do with it has to do with relevancy rather than any other factor that we are talking in ad. So that is completely different thing. Now, again, let's get back. Now, I have given you bonus also here that you guys also will be getting in your LMS. So there is a EAT factor, and I have added some more thing here. When I say some more things here, like when I say that, so again, EAT factor. So what is EAT? EAT is stand for experience, expertise. I have written here, authoritiveness and trustworthiness and all. So again, I have given the documents for here. So if you go, you will be finding this document. You can just click on the document. It will open that and all. You will find that in the LMS I have given to the team will be giving you. And here what I have done, what is this EAT? So as per Google, Google will always try to show the, like you can say, Google will always try to rank the content that have more EAT factor, means that have the expertise, that have the authoritativeness, that have the trustworthiness, and that have the more experience. Now, again, how we gain the expertise? Suppose we are the new in the market and all that. How we will make sure our content has the expertise? Now, again, you can feature the detailed bio of the content creator, means founder, co-founder, trainers, and all. Have you seen nowadays in lot of the website, people are talking about trainers more than like who will be training them and all, what are the trainers and all that. Have you noticed, especially in the course website? How many of you have noticed that? If you will use search a lot on internet, you might have noticed that. So why they do that? To make this expertise. They are not doing for the trainer purpose and all that. What they want is, they want Google to know they are the expert in that field and all that. So when you features the detail, like for example, I have the experience more than 7+ years, and I'm a freelance trainer that I work with multiple brands at the same time. So again, that creates the expertise in for Google to know, okay, this guy have already catered the brand like this and all. So this guy again seems to be like expert in his field and all that. So again, one more example I have given on healthcare website. You can include the bias of doctors, like what is their degree, what is their qualifications, and all. Similarly, like suppose if it is a e-commerce website, so what we can do, guys, any idea? Like if it is a e-commerce website, suppose it is a ghee, like I'm selling a organic ghee. So what we can do to showcase the expertise? Any idea? What I can do to showcase the expertise? For organic ghee, suppose I am selling. No, that will not. Everyone is manufacturer. No, it's natural. Everyone can say that. Come on, Panchal. Everyone can say that. Demand, no. Let's see how many of you. No, delivery, that is for customer. Come on, yeah. Delivery, nothing. Google has nothing to do with your delivery. If you are delivering in 1 minute, 10 minutes, or you are delivering it in 100 minutes. Demand, no. How expertise, how you will make sure Google knows your ghee is the best ghee out there? How? What Google will understand? Very close, not rating. Rating will come in the experience. Like highlight of the product. Somewhat you are very close, Amruta. Try little bit more. Little bit more, you are very close. What about other people? Come on, try, guys. What, how you could make them? My question is, for a organic ghee brand, if I have to make Google that I am the expert manufacturing of the ghee, like whatever ghee that I make, organic ghee is the best ghee out there. So how I will make Google to believe that? Goodwill, no. Goodwill does not work with Google. USP very close, but not exact answers. Ingredients somewhat. Reviews will come in experience. Come on, guys. Reviews is after using product, yeah. It's like experience, it's not expertise. Review cannot be expertise. Review is the experience that you share. Specification. Okay. Now I am telling you. I am telling. Quality, good key, spacing, SEO, description. Guys, certifications. Have you seen any product? Let me show you. Let me show you organic ghee product. You guys does not see the label, I guess, when you buy the product. Now again, if I go here, now let's go here. Now see this. Now can you see here? Like, let me go. Here, premium, like just wait. Like 2 pure desi ghee. Just a second. See this. Can we see this certified? Yeah. This all things will make it believe Google that you are making. The more the certificate you have, the more the license that you have, the more the lab test you have, like it is 100% free from growth hormones, chemicals, and all, the more the test you have. It's not like just I say and Google believe. No, it has to be like tested and all that. Generally, yeah, there could be a lot of mark and all. So that is how you will make believe that you are the expertise in that and all. Yes, that could be one also hers. And then authoritiveness. So what is authoritiveness is na recommendation. So when I will have the authority, simply please understand there's a lot of time left, half an hour is left. Please wait. You will get the attendance sheet and I will make sure everyone attendance get marked. So please see here, guys, we are doing a very important topic. Please try to understand this. Now, again, here, how we will build authoritiveness. So it's very simple, like how the people gets popular or like how anyone's get more authority. When people talk about that, generally, when I say people talk about that. So, for example, like suppose about me, suppose people 50 people talking about in LinkedIn. So if 50 people is talking about Kautilya Roshan, then again LinkedIn knows, okay, Kautil Roshan might be a authoritative person. That's why in LinkedIn, 50 people are talking about that. So when again people, when you get the backlink, so backlinking maybe tomorrow we will be talking about. So that is like getting link from third party website. So generally authoritiveness built from the user generated content. Like suppose you have a fantastic experience by taking my class, you go and you tagged me on LinkedIn and all that. So that again will create authoritiveness for me. Like again, LinkedIn will think, okay, this guy again is good with what he does and all. That's why people is appreciating him and all that. So authoritiveness is when you get the user generated content. Like in this, you can say reviews can work, like Google ratings, like people recommending on social media, backlinking, guest posting, influencer marketing, all that things can be work and all that generally. Then after that, trustworthiness. So how the trustworthiness comes and all that. So trustworthiness is your contact information should be there on the website. Your privacy policy should be there. Your term of services. What is term of services? If you are selling product, return. If you take refund, return. What you do? If you replace the product, what exactly you do and all. So these all things should be very, very clear. It should be very clearly mentioned in the website. Then only Google will be trusting you. Suppose you have only many people, you will see that only make one page website and they are wondering, like, why I'm not ranking on Google. I have written human content. I have everything, but they mix this basic part. They don't have their contact us page. They don't have their privacy page. They don't have their term of service page and all that. Then again, generally, all the things should be easily accessible and it should have clear return policy written, like return in 3 days, what are the condition for return and all that. Then comes the experience part. So experience is testimonial. Like suppose people go and people give me like, okay, you were fantastic, your class was fantastic and all. So that all counts in the experience. So after using the product, experience counts. Now the review rating and all that, all the recommendations and all that that you are getting, that all will be counted. So that's why if you see here, no, like see this website that is ranking. So again, you will find they also have that. If you go now, see this. I'm just showing you one example quickly. Please see this. So again, you will see award one winning institute. Now they are talking about who they are and all, and see by this college and all that. So this, what it does, it is again creating the expertise in the mind of Google and all that. Now again, if you go ahead, now again, like again, companies and all that, what they are doing and all that, all the things they are doing. Then again, if you go ahead in the last, see this. So this again is the experience and all that, like people is liking and all that, then the testimonials and all that generally. So this is why they are ranking and all. I hope we are clear now on the eat part, guys. I hope we are clear. Okay, fantastic. Fantastic. Please remember this. This is very important part. And I have the bonus, but that you will find in the, like you can say, in the LMS. So what is that bonus? I have written more about the content, like how I use my techniques to rank any website, how I make sure the content is best. So again, if you, I just give you some idea here, but you all guys have the access of this in the LMS and all that. So again, it is about three major update that Google has given. So in this now, it's like question that Google asks from your content. Is the content written for human or search engine? Is the content written by again human or AI? Does the content provide value, or it just like done for the keywords and all that? Does the content look like it will written for welfare, means for creating the value, or just selling purpose and all that? So these are the questions. So these are nothing but the conceptual questions and all that generally. So that will give you a very good idea how you can create the strong content. And again, I repeat, it is in the LMS. So please don't worry about that. How many days Google takes rank? See, again, it depends. If you are a very new website, so for a few days, Google will observe, are you serious about this, or just for fun you are trying? So again, it may take your first website to rank anywhere around 3-4 months, but you have to make sure you are active in social media also, and you are creating backlinks also and all that, and some user generated content also. So again, 3 to 4 months, I will say. If suppose today I go and I book the domain and hosting, then it may take up to that time. In the LMS, it is there. Everything I have shared with the team, you will have the LMS access. In that, you will have. So I have made sure everything I have given that. Now again, just stay with me for 10 minutes, and then we will do 10-minute practical. Now again, no, if you are ranking, then automatically traffic is more. So it's about how many referral you are getting. Like from social media, people are tagging you, or through backlinking, like when you make links, you are getting and all that. Now the next thing is alt text. So what is alt text is, have you ever wondered, now please be back, when I search here, like suppose SEO image, when I go and when I search SEO image and I click on images, now all the SEO images are going and all that. So again, you can see here how Google know this is SEO image. Does Google have eyes, guys? Does Google have eyes? Can Google see? No, Google does not have eyes. Come on. Google does not have eyes, Sushma. Google does not have eyes. Google cannot see. Google can read the descriptions and all that generally. So Google has a descriptions and all that. So it's like generally Google read out the description that is written on the images and all that normally. So again, whatever in the image we write the description, Google read that out. So we have to make sure whenever we write the description, it has to be best. Means it has to be relatable. And let's see some references. I have also given in my notes that you will have the access in your LMS. So again here, like generally, like how we write the alt text. So here I have given the references. So if you go and if you click on that, or here you will find, like if you scroll down, like just a second, here you will find like, yeah, just see this example. Let me give you this. Now see this, what could be the alternative text for this? What could be description you guys want? Means as per you guys, what could be the description? Best description for this image? A delicious dessert. Okay. What about other sweet? Sweet. Okay. Let's see how many of you does it right. Okay. Pancake. I'm happy somebody gets that. pancake, pancake, sweet pancake with blueberry, pancake, fresh pancake, pancake. Okay, now excellent. You guys are coming very close. Now see which one is the more accurate here. So please see here. Now this okay all taxes, no? If I just write pancake, that is okay. It is a pancake. Google will understand this is a pancake. But again, good one is, no? If I write this stack of blueberry pancake with powdered sugar. Why? Because if you see the images, no, it is about that. It is about stack of blueberry pancake with powdered sugar. So that is very, very good and all that. Why? Because if you see, these all are the blueberries and this is the pancake and the powdered sugar is also there. So if you exactly describe the image, that is perfectly called as alt text. But now the problem comes, suppose how I will know what all images are having alt text or not. So for that also, no, I have written here for non-WordPress, you can use it this tool, Rusex alt text checker. I am showing you how you can do that. And then we will be going with heading tag and I will just showing you the practical. Now again, if I go ahead here, just you have to type Rusex alt tag checker. And now suppose I want to know like how many images are having missing alt tag. So let's take any government website because I'm sure they don't write the alternative text. So let's take second or third page government website. Let's take this Indian budget. Oh my God, our finance minister images. So let's paste here and then run all text. Now again, see here how easy it is to find that. Now again, here I will be able to find here what all images are having missing alt tag and all that. So again, if I go here and if I just paste, and just a second, sorry. Yeah, this is a like you can say government website, but still I can find this name of the images. These all are the name of the images where I can find this all images have missing alt tag. So I can tell my developer, means whoever who is developer, who is maintaining my website, who is making sure my website is working well and all. The alt tag checker, you don't even have to log in. Now again, if I go, like again, if I show you other website, right? Suppose this Fussy website, let's take that. If I copy this, just go and just paste it here and then run all tags. Once you run all tag, just wait for a few seconds. You might need to refresh it. Just a second. Let me refresh it one time. Now I will go here and run all tag. Now just wait for a few seconds. It will come. Otherwise, you do need to refresh that and all that. So why we use this tool and all that to find out if what all text are missing. Now what is happening? This website is not working. Let me go and let me refresh it. Just a second. Run all tag. Or let me go to the different browser. Sometime it happens, so you can go to the different browser here. I can go here and I can go to the different browser, paste. I can go here now, again, government website. So suppose if I go to Indian Post, let's not go to the other, let's take this only. I can copy, I can go here, paste, and I can run all text. See here, two missing. So I can know the name of the images that are missing. So I can give this list to that. So with the help of this tool, you guys will be able to find it all the, like you can say, generally all the people's, like you can say, images that are missing alt tag. And alt tag is very, very important, guys. Means that's how the like Google understand that. And then after alt tag, generally we have the heading tag. So what is heading tag? There are 6 type of heading tag happens. Now let's understand it. It's like very simple it is. H1 that is used for main heading. So whatever is my main heading, now let me go And let me just close out all the unnecessary tab. So again here, whatever is my main tag, like if I will go and I will just show you in XLR. So this is the main tag. So this will be H1 and all other, like suppose this one, all other the subheadings that is there. So that can be from H2 to H6 generally. So H1 is the main heading that should be used one time, and H2 to H6 can be used multiple times. So please make sure whenever you do now, like H1, whenever you check heading tag and all that, you have to make sure H1 it should be used one time, and H2 to H6 should be used like can be used multiple times. But as a marketer, what we have to make sure H1, H2, H3 should be used at least one time. And how we will check? Suppose I don't know what heading has been given in my website. I go in any company or in interview, they are asking, can you tell me what how many H1, H2, H3, what exactly word has been used as H1, H2, H3. So again, we can tell that how? By using a extension, Chrome extension, SEO Quick Chrome extension. You will copy this, you will go here and just type that and enter. Make sure you go to the first results, add to Chrome. Once you add to Chrome, click on this extension. Please remember the step or watch the video by going to YouTube or on your LMS, and then make sure you pin this. So when you pin this, it will come outside. Now open the website that you want to check. Suppose I want to check for XLR. How many H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 they are using. So I will just open the page that I want to check, and then I will click on this SEO Quick icon. And then I will click on diagnosis. And then I will scroll down. Here is the heading. See. So they are using all that H1. So this word they have put that as a H1, this one as a H2, this one as a H2, and then all other as H3, H4, and H5. Now, again, we have to make sure generally H1 should be used one time only. So why H1 should be used one time? Anyone have idea why H1 should preferred using one time? If you use multiple time, it can create confusion, but anyone can tell me why H1 should be used one time, guys? Because it's a main heading. Yes, because it's a main heading. If we have multiple, then it will create the confusion among Google. So Google will confuse like, okay, how many main topics we are talking about in our website. So that's why it is okay to have. But again, remember, it is recommended, means you can use more than one, but it is not recommended. So if anyone is using more than 2 or 3 H1, more than one H1, so that does not means they are wrong. That means the recommended setting is we should use one heading. Always remember that. Never say if anyone is using 2 H1, so they are wrong. No, they are not wrong, but it will create confusion in Google's mind and we may not rank generally. So that's why it is always recommended to have one H1. Then afterwards, we have two things we call internal and external. Now let's understand this with an e-commerce website, or let's do that with XLR. Now again, if you see here, we are into the xlr.com digital marketing course training in Bangalore. Now see this URL, we are into this. Now if I click on blog page, now again, I will be going to the XLR website only, but xlr.com/blog. So this is called as internal link, guys. When we link two different pages of the same website, we call that internal linking generally. Now again from this, if I click on corporate, I will be going to xlr.com corporate. Now you will see one thing, I am in the same website, just I am changing the pages. So that's why it is called as internal link. So what is internal link? Internal link is linking different pages of same website. So when you link different pages of same website, we call that internal link. But if I scroll down, suppose, or if I go on the top, see, if I go on the top and suppose I click on the link, like LinkedIn link. Now I'm going to the linkedin.com. Yes, the page is of XLR solution, but LinkedIn is not a property of XLR. So that's why it is called as external link. Vice versa is also possible. Like suppose anyone in the LinkedIn come across the post of XLR. They go and they click on the About Us section. And they found here xlr.com. They click here. So this is also example of external link. Because from LinkedIn, people are coming to XLR, or from XLR, people are going to the LinkedIn. So any link that is from or to third party website. From means I am giving, like I am means from third party, like from LinkedIn, we are getting this XLR. So this will be link from means incoming link. And if I am giving, that will be to, like link to a third party. So whenever we are giving link to a third party or we are giving link from third party website, we call that external link. And what is third party? Any website apart from my website is called as third party website. Now, just give me 5 minutes. I am showing you the settings in an e-commerce website. Now, for example, guys, if I go here, just a second, let me, just a minute. Like if I go, let me go to my practice website. If I just go here, now again, I'm just showing you practical in 5 minutes, and this is for WordPress website. Now again, if I go ahead normally, so for example, suppose if I go in this only. So if I go here, now first of all, if you will be getting attendance in a short while, just a second, just a minute. So just a minute, guys, please be with me for 5 minutes and you have the attendance and everything. So first of all, we discuss title and description. So suppose this is a WordPress website. So once if you get the WordPress website, now you have the like you can say title and the description for the page if you have to do. So what is a WordPress website? WordPress website is a CMS without coding website. And almost 40% website are built in WordPress. So if you go and if you type now WordPress share in market, so again you will get almost 40% website are built in WordPress. That is the reason why I'm showing you WordPress. And there are n number of way a website can be built. Out of that, the highest percentage is taken by WordPress because it is easy without like you can say coding and all, you can make the website. Now, if I go back here, now suppose if I have to do the meta title description and URL. So what I will do, I will just go first to the settings and I will go to the here in settings, I will go to the reading and just a second. Once I go to the permalink, in the settings permalink, this is like technical part, but I am just telling you for the information part. So just please see that very cautiously. So you have to go to the setting of WordPress after logged in to your admin panel. This is the backend we call. In the backend or admin panel, setting permalink, and you will keep this post name. So make sure this is post name, and then after that, save that. Once it is saved, now again go to the pages, go to all pages, and whatever page that you want to give the title and description. So make sure you go to the plugin, add a new plugin, and you have to make sure how WordPress works, guys, just how our mobile phone works. Now for any extra things, like suppose if I need a DJ light in my iPhone, how I will do that, guys? Any idea? If I need my a DJ light in my iPhone, suppose, so what I need to do? What I will do that? Does the DJ light is inbuilt? what I need to do to get the DJ light in my iPhone? You have the attendance, but please answer to my question, guys. I will just take your 2-3 minutes time. Just 5 minute maximum. So what I will do for DJ light, guys? I will install the app, not shortcut. By default, there is no DJ light option in iPhone. I have to download the app. Just like that in WordPress, if I need any extra feature, no? Like suppose I need to optimize my SEO. So I will go to the plugin and I will install the plugin. So plugin works like a app of our mobile. Whenever we need any extra feature, we go and we install the plugin. Now I need a SEO. So I will go and I will click on SEO here. And once I go, now again you can see Yoast SEO, Rank Math, any plugin is fine. Both of this is fine. But a Rank Math give you little bit more option, but you can go with the Yoast also. But please make sure you use only one plugin for one thing. So suppose I install this Yoast SEO, and then afterwards I just activate that, for example. After installing this, you activate that. Now you go to the pages option, guys. You just go to the pages. So whatever pages that I have. Now suppose I want to give the meta title and description. Suppose home page. So I will go and I will click on edit. I will click on edit. I will not click on quick edit or anything. I will just click on edit. Wait. Just wait a second. Once I click on edit, now again if I scroll down here, when I scroll down now, at the end, see, I will get the preview. See here. Like what is the SEO title? So whatever meta title I want, that is called as SEO title. So the best training in digital marketing. Marketing. And then after that, here the slug is the URL. So after this learnlive.co, whatever I want. So suppose I want here like best digital marketing course. And I can give that and then meta description. The best digital marketing course with practical knowledge. And I can give here this. So this is how we can give. And when you update, again, you can go and you can see that it will be updated and all that. This is how we do that. Apart from this, the like you can say all text that we were talking, how we will give that. We go to the media section, guys. Once we go to the media section here, and then after that, whatever images, like suppose this images. Now here is the alternative text. So again, I can go and I can say a college girl with specs. So I can go and I can give, and then I can just go click on that. It will be updated. That is how you give the alt text. This is how we make sure like generally we go and we do that. So this is like on-page SEO. So tomorrow we will be talking about off-page SEO and all that part as well. Guys, we will be going and we will be talking about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's class and you guys got a good idea about that. I hope it was enjoyable class, guys. I hope you guys learn a lot. Okay, fantastic. So tomorrow also we will be continuing and we have whole new things and all that. So please be present and please fill the attendance sheet and then afterwards, please leave the call. Please don't leave the call without filling the attendance sheet, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.
Yeah,
So
thank you,
please,
Roshan.
yeah, thank you.
So students, I'm sharing the attendance link. If you missed out, you can mark your attendance. And yesterday I was told that I'll share the Telegram link and YouTube link, no? So yes, I'm sharing now. Just follow. So there you will see the recording videos. Okay. Like if you don't have any LMS access, so how to log in also there they will tell you. Okay. Kirti, which link you are telling about? Yeah, if you don't have any questions, you can leave the session. Okay. Yeah. So I'm sending the Telegram link as well. So in the chat and Zoom chat and YouTube chat, you can take Telegram. So somebody asked that today we'll receive certificate. No, it's not. So after completion of this session, we have to wait for 7 days. After that, you will receive it. Okay, fine. I'll share the attendance link. If anybody wants to register again, please let me know. I'll share the registration link as well. Yes, Himanshu, you can leave. If you don't have any queries, you can leave. Yeah, Safar I sent now. So you can check from here or else I'll share again. Yeah, please take it from. I need to register. Fine, I'll share the link. Okay. So, ma'am, I changed my details in XLR website. Can be affect. So, Shrikant, so better use only one email ID for marking your attendance. Okay. So, it is better. Yes, thank you. I hope I'm done with your questions. So, I didn't see any questions. So, well, YouTube people also want the registration link and sharing it. Okay, fine. Thank you for joining the session. We'll meet on tomorrow. Okay, go and have your food. Good night. Bye bye.